This is how I fixed my missing stitch.
Let's fix this. With this stitch, you will be able to find your mistake right away in your second row. But because I stopped right here and I was working front and back and moved to this sleeve, once I came to finish my second sleeve, my first row, this was my first row, and right away I noticed I missed that stitch. I started working because I said, well, it's not that visible, but after a while I decided I will fix that. It's not difficult to fix the stitch, and not all the stitches will be that easy. And I will show you how I fixed that missing triple front post crochet right here. See, every single one has like a little V, and this one does not. So I matched my yarn to the color I was using in this section, and I will do slip knot. Of course, will be even easier if I would fix this right away, but I was debating, so now I have more rows here. It's a little bit more difficult to get there, but let's do this. So we are missing this triple front post crochet right here. So I will go with my hook and pick up that stitch, put my yarn through, and I will of course hide that end. But now, because I'm connected to my work, I can just make regular triple front post crochet. So you go where the stitch is supposed to be originally, and you just make triple front post, 1 crochet, and you can see right away you have that V. Now I will cut my yarn, pull this yarn through, tight this. So now I just have to hide my ends on the other side. So I will move both of my ends to the other side. That's the one. And I need this one as well. Okay, so let's look. Once I hide the ends, I think I will not even know where the stitch was missing. So that's how it looks right now. We have all the V's in this row, and looks like I never missed that stitch. Not every stitch is that easy to fix, depends on the design, but I'm hoping this was helpful.